Earlier this year, I picked up a brand new kayak. It's a Pelican Catch 110. This is my first time using it, and today we're going to see how it performs on a widely known lake, Lake Norman. This body of water is known to hold some huge fish, and maybe we'll even hook up to one. Let's find out if this kayak is really as good as it's said to be. Today we're going to be fishing in 2 kayaks, and hopefully we'll hook up to some fish. Alright, so the verse of the day is Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. This verse to me means that you can still do things with Jesus' help and all that, but that doesn't mean that you can go pro just because of that verse, you know? Alright, now we just gotta launch the kayaks. So, mine first. Slide it in the water. Alright. Oh, almost lost it there, not gonna lie. Slide it on in. There you go. Alright. Both kayaks are ready. Perfect. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I need to get my paddle. Hold on. Alright, got the paddle. Board the USS Bathtub. Yeah. Kendall Gray. Oh, I didn't even connect the... Alright, hold on. Connect the cable real quick. We made it.
Alright. Perfect. Where are we going?
So today we're going to be going back in there. Are you seeing this? There's ducks coming towards me. Alright, we have officially made it to our first spot. It's time to start fishing. That's pretty good. Alright. There's water current that I don't believe is moving right here. And there's shad spawning over there. We were told by a gentleman that lives here that there is some shad spawning. Turn a little. Alright, now then first cast. See if there's anything by the boat. Yeah, this lake is beautiful. Okay. Hey John, let's go back in there. I've caught a few fish back in there. And see what we can get done with this little thing. Wow, it is tangled. Wow, that is a lot of tangles. Get undone. There we go. The action on this is stellar. Like, that's crazy. And we're right in shad spawn too, so that could work. The action on this thing is just, like, wild. Man, this thing has great action, though. I'd probably just do this here. Let it sink a little. Man, there's chickens over here, and they are going crazy. There's got to be, like, probably 2 or 3 roosters. I think there might be a fish out here. Give it a little chuck. What in the world? I need to catch fish. This place could be good. This little bank right in here. Maybe we'll cast right on top of a fish and he'll eat it. The dreams aren't dreaming right now. Oh, come on. Probably one in the shade. That'll work. It's not exactly where I was trying to cast, but it's in the general area, so. Oh, I think I might have had a fish. Or it was another log. Man, I want to go fish ponds and catch ditch pickles. But yet, I have to fish a lake where bass are non-existent. It is shady, so who knows? Maybe it has a fish in it. Pretty deep right here, I assume. Yeah, pretty deep. That is definitely pretty deep. This is like a 610 rod, which I'm gonna get a new one anyways. But this rod's been beat to death. I got one. Oh, there we go. I don't think he's too big. He's pretty small. He's a dink, but it's a fish nonetheless. Little itty bitty spot. See if I can get the hook out of him. There we go. Let him go. Today we ended up catching one fish, sadly, but the conditions aren't the best. But yeah, and as always, have a great night and fish like Jesus.